Peru's massive jumbo squid catch quota, set at 420,000 tons, showcases its pivotal role in global seafood consumption. Giant squids are not commonly used for culinary purposes. However, in some countries, they are considered a delicacy and are consumed in small quantities. These species are known as jumbo flying squids, or pota, in Peru. They are one of the most important species for human consumption among Peruvians. Handling giant squids in large factories for large-scale production involves a highly organized and specialized process designed to maximize efficiency while maintaining product quality and safety. While giant squids are not as commonly processed in large factories as smaller seafood species, such as shrimp or fish, some facilities do handle them to meet the demands of the commercial market. The cleaning process begins by removing the head, internal organs, and ink sac from the squid's body. These parts are carefully extracted to prevent any contamination of the edible portions of the squid. Special care is taken to ensure that the ink sac is removed intact, as it can easily burst and stain the flesh if mishandled. After the internal organs are removed, the squid is meticulously washed to eliminate any residual debris or impurities. Removing the tough and rubbery skin of giant squids requires precision and skill, as it is essential to preserve as much of the pristine white flesh as possible. Skilled workers, often equipped with sharp knives and specialized tools, carefully peel away the outer skin from the squid's body. With steady hands and attention to detail, they navigate the contours of the squid, ensuring that the skin is completely removed without damaging the underlying flesh. To facilitate the skin removal process, the squid may be briefly blanched in hot water or subjected to gentle mechanical agitation. These techniques help loosen the skin, making it easier to peel away while minimizing damage to the delicate flesh beneath. Workers work swiftly, yet delicately, ensuring that the skin is peeled away in one smooth motion, leaving behind a pristine white flesh ready for further processing. Any residual parts deemed unsuitable for consumption may be disposed of or repurposed in various ways. Some processing facilities may send these residues to be processed into industrial products such as biofuels, bioplastics, or compost. Proper disposal methods, including composting or incineration, may be employed to manage any organic waste generated during the production process, ensuring environmental sustainability and compliance with regulations. The workers carefully inspect the exposed white flesh to ensure its quality and integrity. Any remaining traces of skin or impurities are meticulously removed, leaving behind a clean and pristine surface. To preserve the freshness and tenderness of the white flesh, it may be immediately chilled or placed in a cold water bath to maintain its temperature and texture. Cleaned and prepared squid flesh is then divided into large pieces or sections. Skilled workers may handle this task manually, using knives or other cutting tools to divide the flesh into manageable portions. Alternatively, automated cutting equipment may be employed to streamline the process and ensure consistency in size and shape. To prevent discoloration and maintain the natural flavor of the squid, workers may also treat the white flesh with a mild acid solution or antioxidant. These additives help preserve the flesh's color and flavor, ensuring that the resulting squid rings are of the highest quality. Throughout this process, workers remain vigilant, monitoring the flesh for any signs of deterioration and taking prompt action to maintain its freshness and appeal. These cutters are equipped with sharp blades arranged in a circular pattern, designed to slice through the squid flesh and create uniform rings. The rings then undergo additional processing and preparation. This includes a thorough rinsing to eliminate any leftover debris or impurities, guaranteeing that the rings are free from contaminants. Depending on the desired texture and tenderness, the squid rings may undergo tenderization. This process involves using mechanical tenderizers or enzymatic treatments to break down tough muscle fibers, resulting in a more succulent and palatable product. Tenderization enhances the overall dining experience for consumers by making the squid rings easier to chew. Once the raw squid rings have undergone the necessary processing steps, they are ready to be packaged and frozen to preserve their freshness and quality. The raw squid rings are carefully portioned and placed into packaging suitable for freezing. Depending on the manufacturer's preferences and the intended market, the rings may be packaged in various formats such as vacuum-sealed bags, plastic containers, or trays with a protective film. The packaging materials are selected to maintain the integrity of the rings and prevent freezer burn during storage. When processing giant squids for squid rings, portions of the white raw meat that may be considered waste or residues can be repurposed to create raw squid popcorns. The trimmings are first ground or finely chopped into smaller pieces to create a uniform texture. They are then mixed with binding agents and seasonings to enhance flavor and improve cohesion. The meat is formed into small, bite-sized shapes, reminiscent of popcorn kernels. This can be achieved using specialized equipment such as extruders or molding machines, which shape the mixture into uniform pieces. Alternatively, the mixture can be hand-formed into small balls or nuggets. Squid tentacles are another valuable product that can be derived from the production of squid rings. The tentacles are typically separated from the body, leading to another processing line within the same facility. The squid tentacles may be trimmed to remove any excess parts or uneven edges. This ensures that the tentacles are uniform in size and appearance, enhancing their marketability and appeal to consumers. The tentacles may also be sorted according to size or weight to meet customer specifications. After trimming and sizing, The squid tentacles are packaged for distribution to retailers, restaurants, and other customers. They may be packaged fresh or frozen, depending on the intended use and market demand. Packaging materials are selected to maintain the freshness and quality of the tentacles during storage and transportation. Squid wings, also known as fins or flaps, offer a distinct texture and flavor compared to rings and are often boiled as a preparation method. In this process, the squid wings are carefully cleaned and prepared before being submerged in large stainless steel boiling tanks. Boiling the wings helps tenderize the meat while preserving its natural taste and texture. Once boiled to perfection, the squid wings are quickly cooled and then frozen to maintain their freshness and quality. Freezing also extends the shelf life of the wings, allowing them to be stored and distributed to consumers and food service establishments. The production of giant squid offers a fascinating glimpse into the intricate processes involved in seafood processing, from harvesting to packaging. If you're intrigued by the behind-the-scenes workings of seafood production, you will not want to miss this video showcasing the mesmerizing journey of king crab production.